Don and Evelyn Carter. This is our bus, a change of space, a change of pace. And come on in and show you around. And get in there, tell them what you know, and then I'll do it.
I don't know much. This is our home away from home. We haven't quite finished the ceiling because we didn't get enough insulation. I don't know if he'll want to tell you about that or not, but probably not. So I'm going to mural it eventually. I started to mural it and he started telling me he's going to build cabinets where I painted, so I quit until he gets it done.
Yeah, we raised the roof 16 3/4 inches, and then you can see we raised the floor as well over the wheel wells so that we've got storage underneath, our water tanks underneath, our batteries are in there, and that's all insulated underneath the batteries, water tanks, and around it. So in cold weather we don't have any water tanks or anything on the outside to freeze up, and it makes it pretty nice. So this is, it's all rough yet. It's roughed in. It's a work in progress, so we haven't finished the inside. So
I always say schoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Yes. So, and it's comfortable for us now, so you can come on back and look at this. Of course, everything's very obvious what it is. We did all cabinets here and then under the floor. We don't have a lot of hanging cabinets because they're just kind of closes you in, and this makes it more open this way. We like it that way better. And
However, we will have some shelves and things when we're
eventually
done.
little shelves for knick-knack stuff.
And this is all recycled. This was our bed. We weren't going to recycle until COVID hit and prices went sky high, and we had a big captain's bed with 12 great big deep drawers, so
Sure.
that's what we put in here.
Yeah, and there's an emergency hatch over here that I built this, closed this in. That's my control area for my water pumps and valves for the tanks, and they all get to that from the outside. You don't get to it from the inside.
Yeah, I saw the electric is all up front.
Yeah, and so then we got a full fridge. This is a DC fridge. It runs on just DC power, and it's made for solar, and it's very efficient, works good. And then this is an IceCo here. We just use this curtain here. We don't have any built-in walls because everything's up against one another. You don't really need them. And
Right.
and so this, our shower, is kind of a different thing too. We made it small so that you don't have it out in the way all the time. But when you use it, when you close these curtains, it gets kind of tight in there. So my wife came up with this idea. We put this down, holds the curtains back out of the way, and then you've got room to shower.
That's brilliant.
And with this kind, with the curtains hanging all the way around, you don't have to do any caulking or anything like that. It makes it pretty nice and easy.
I've been in a few tight showers where when you're showering, the warm water is causing an updraft and everything gets sucked in.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was my first experience.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
And then we did bunk beds because, you know, back here I was going to put in a queen bed, and if you put it crossways, somebody has to jump over somebody every night.
Yeah.
And if you put it the other way, it hangs out to here somewhere, and you've only got about 12 inches on the side. It just takes up so much room. So we decided to go with the bunks instead, so we've got more room around here. So, and then gives us room for the washer and dryer and everything too. And that washer is pretty efficient. It only uses about 9 gallons per load. And then the dryer is all electric, so it's 1500 watts. So we got 1400 watts of solar on top and 800 amp hours of lithium batteries, and it works.
Yep.
We haven't run the generator since we've been out here, and we've done a load of wash and things, so we're keeping up. So we like it that way.
Yeah.
Even got our massage chair in here, and it's usable there.
Oh yeah, all the creature comforts.
So
Very nice. Now, do you have any social media thing where if people wanted to get a hold of you, ask questions about anything?
Not really.
Not really. She may have one you could use, but we haven't really done that.
Okay.
So can't really say we can put that out there, I guess. So
As soon as
Well,
I
when-
learn how to use Instagram
They can always,
correctly,
they can ask questions on the video, and
yeah,
so. All right. Well, thank you.
yeah. And
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.